Stan Store tutorial, how to sell digital products on Stan Store. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create and sell your own digital products such as courses, coaching, ebooks, and much more using Stan Store. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Firstly, you want to head on over to Stan Store. Now, this is an all-in-one creator store platform that is optimized for people to sell their online products and online services. Especially if you are a creator or a influencer, you might have different types of digital products or services that you might offer. And building your own site for them can be really difficult. Instead, you can easily sell them using Stan Store. So to get started, simply click on Sign Up on the top right. Once you click on Sign Up on the top right, you are going to enter your username, and then you're going to add your actual name, then you're going to add your email address. After that, you're just going to verify your phone number and create a suitable password. And once you have completed your personal information, you can proceed with your plan. Now, you do get a 14-day free trial, so you're not going to be paying instantaneously. And Stan Store starts at $29 a month, but you can save 20% of that, which means you can save $60 if you choose to proceed with annual billing. For now, just proceed with your monthly billing, and you can acknowledge the terms of service, enter your payment information to proceed with your 14-day free trial on Stan Store. So now that I have completed the payment info for my free trial, I can proceed with my niche. So this means what is the particular influence that you have or what type of courses or products you're looking to sell. So let's say we are going with the beauty niche and we're going to skip with the referral. Now, once completed, you will see on the top right, you already will have a store. And if you click on this, it will display what your store currently looks like. Now it's time to start building your profile as well as your product on Stan Store. Now on the left, you will find a panel in which you can access your store products, your income, analytics, customers, and more. Now we're going to go into My Store on the top left, and then firstly, we can change our name from here. We can also include our social media links, things such as our TikTok, Instagram. So I'm going to add my Instagram here. Then I can also add my socials, email address, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whichever socials that you want to add. Below that, you can click on Add Product and start building your products. Now, let's say that I want to create a simple product, which is going to be a one-on-one video clip that I send out. Or let's say that I have a digital product like a PDF. So I'm going to sell a digital product, and I am going to proceed firstly with the thumbnail. You will see you have three options in thumbnails, including either a button, a call out, or a preview. So I want to use a preview, and below that we can select the image that we want to use. So I am going to be using a simple image over here. I think I'm just going to be using this image, and I'll just click on crop over here and use that image as my product image. Below that, we have the title. So what type of product is this? So let's say this is going to be my makeup secrets, a true product and skill guide, like this. Below that, I can enter the subtitle. So let's say this ebook entails all skills and techniques used by professionals, like this, and then I'll add a simple descriptor on how people are going to receive this product. Receive in your inbox instantly, or receive in your inbox. I'll just add that. Now below that, we have our button which says download now. So let's say I wanted to say buy now instead of download. Once I've done that, I can click on improve page to further improve, ask for improvements to Stan Store. but I'm going to click on next over here. Once I've done that, I can click on choose image to again upload my own image for the product that I am selling. So let's say I am going to be adding a different image this time. So I'll use this one over here, and I'm just going to zoom in on this image a little like so. And then I'll just click on crop over here to crop the image. Below that, I can get the description of my product. So this is going to be my Makeup 101 Tech Skills and Technique. Let's say that's my book title. Below that, I can write the description of what this book is. So I'm going to click on Generate with AI, and I can actually ask the AI to generate a book description for me. I'm going to write a full comprehensive guide for all types of makeup as as well as hacks and tools for better application like this. So I'm just going to add this as a description. I can proceed with, a AI description as well. You can write it in more detail. And below that, you have your bottom title. So get my guide, or let's say it is going to be read now. And then you are going to have your call to action button, which is purchase. And then you can set the price. So let's say I want to sell this for $5. And after that, I can proceed with the info where I'm collecting people's name and email addresses. I can click on add field to add a different type of field if I want to be collecting any other type of information from my audience. Below that, you're going to upload the actual ebook or the actual digital product. So Stan will automatically send these to your customer upon their purchase. You can use a direct file upload, but if your files are really large, you can also redirect them to a URL where the files are uploaded. So I'm just going to be taking a random image as the product. This is not the actual product. So let's say this is the product over here, and I can just upload that particular PDF. Then I can click on publish over here, and my product is now published on Stan Store. Now, if I refresh my product page over here, you will see that now I have this really nice product. You can sell multiple products on Stan Store. Now, to further make this a bit more interesting, I do recommend that you add your own photo over here, because if you don't have your own photo uploaded, it just looks really empty and hollow. So whatever is your representative image, you can just add that over here, and you can also add a short bio about yourself. And in this way, you can get started with selling your own product on Stan Store. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.